Good morning, student. This is the class 9 subject social science, and this is chapter 3rd of civics, and the topic is constitution design, and this is the lecture 4th. And student, in previous lecture we have studied about the constitution and the formation of constitution, and Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was the founder of the constitution, and it is called father of the constitution. And the Constitution of India expresses a broad consensus of its time, and the Constitution of India prepared by Constituent Assembly, and the Constituent Assembly first meeting held on 9 December 1946, and it included 299 members such as Sarojini Naidu, Baldev Singh, Jaipal Singh, Shama Mukherjee, and Rajendra Prasad, and Shama Prasad Mukherjee, Somnath Lahiri, etc. And they prepared constitution on 26th November 1949, but constitution enacted on 26th January 1950. So student, let's start our lecture, and in this lecture we will discuss about preamble, and next institutional arrangements, and last we solve some question. That question I have already assigned in previous lecture. Student, preambles means philosophy. Actually student, our constitution is all about philosophy, and the Constitution of India was found by many great thinker, philosopher who played an important role in the formation of our constitution. Even Mahatma Gandhi wrote his vision in magazine Young India. He wrote a magazine Young India in 1931, and his vision of making India were also followed by many members. Actually, according to Mahatma Gandhi vision, there should be no high class and no low class people, and women should have equal rights as men. According to his dream, untouchability should be rooted out from the country. And the student, preamble is the soul of the constitution. And let's start. And the preamble means philosophy, and it's the preamble of the constitution contains the philosophy on which the entire constitution has been built. Student, philosophy means basic ideas and principles that contain in the constitution. The preamble is a summary of the objective and basic philosophy of the constitution, and it helps in the interpretation of the constitution, and with the help of the preamble we can understand the basic philosophy of the constitution. And it is important that every written constitution should consist of a preamble, and the preamble contains the basic ideas and philosophy of a constitution. And the preamble of the constitution mirror the spirit of the constitution. And student, the Indian constitution also begins with a preamble, and we got the idea of preamble from the American model. Okay, so student, and the preamble is the summary of basics, ideas and principle of a constitution. Next, here we see the preamble of the constitution, and we the people of India having solemnly resolves to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economy and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and opportunity, and promote among them all, and fraternity, assuring the dignity of individual and the unity and the integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, to give, here adopt, enact and give to ourselves this constitution. So student, the constitution also begins with the preamble, and the preamble is the soul of the Indian constitution, and we got the idea of preamble from American model. And Constitution provides a standard to examine and evaluate any laws and action of the government to find out whether it is good or bad. And it is the soul of Indian Constitution. It reads like a poem of democracy. Student, preamble is the soul of Indian Constitution because Indian Constitution starts with preamble of the preamble, and the preamble provide a standard to check and evaluate the work of the government and find out the work of the government is good or bad for the society. स्टूडेंट, प्रेम्बल को हम हिंदी बोलते हैं प्रस्तावना है। अब जब कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जो स्टार्ट होता है सबसे पहले हम उस पर प्रेम्बल लिखा जाता है, और जो प्रेम्बल का आइडिया है हमने अमेरिका के मॉडल से फॉलो किया है, और अमेरिका के मॉडल को और बहुत सारी कंट्रीज़ ने भी क्या फॉलो किया। उन्होंने अपना कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जो है वो सबसे पहले प्रेम्बल से ही स्टार्ट किया है, क्योंकि जो प्रेम्बल है उसको क्या कहा था, सोल ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, क्योंकि प्रेम्बल में बेसिक आइडियाज, बेसिक प्रिंसिपल दिए हुए हैं कि हमें अपने कंट्री में इन चीज़ हमें अपने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में ये सब आइडियाज़ को हमें क्या करना चाहिए, फॉलो करना चाहिए, जैसे कि लिबर्टी, इक्वालिटी एंड फ्रीडम। इसीलिए हम प्रेम्बल को सोल ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कहा जाता है। एंड नेक्स्ट, आइडियल्स ऑफ द प्रेम्बल। First, we the people of India means the constitution has been drawn up, enacted by the people through their representative, means we are the people of India and we elected our representative, and representative form the rule and regulation run the country, and not handed down to them by king or any outside power. And in India there is no monarchist and no authoritarian government and no external power to run the country. Only we are the people of India, and we elect our representative, and representative form the government. Republic, and the republic means the head of the state shall be elected one for a fixed time, and India is a republic, and it is not a hereditary position, and the president of India is indirectly elected by the representative of the people for a period of 5 years, and any citizen of India fulfilling required qualification can contest election for the president of India. Equality, all are equal before law, and there is no discrimination on the basis of their gender, caste, and the government should provide equal opportunity for all, and the basic needs such as food, clothes and shelter everyone should be fulfilled, and wealth of the nation should not be in the hands of a few persons, and the state will help those persons who are unable to earn a income, and there should not be any exploitation of men by a man. So in country, in a democracy, all are equal before law. Fraternity means brotherhoods. And student, we got the idea of fraternity from French Revolution, because liberty, equality and fraternity was the main slogan of French Revolution. And the preamble of the Indian Constitution special focus upon the promotion of brotherhood among the people of India, unless the people become a community or common interest, and all members of the, and we are the member of the same family, and there is no discrimination on the basis of their gender and caste. Liberty means freedom. There are no unreasonable restriction on the citizen in what they think, how they express their thoughts. Means in our country we have 6 fundamental rights, and we are free to express our views, and there is no unreasonable restriction on the citizen. Citizen can express their thought, can do anything, and can adopt any religion, and can adopt any occupation such as. And liberty provides by Constitution. Justice, every citizen should not be discriminated on the ground of caste, religion and gender, and government should work on the welfare of all, especially and on the disadvantages group, means tribal groups, SC and ST group, Student, justice means economy means of the country should be just distributed and are used for the welfare of people. Economy justice means providing equal opportunity to everybody for earning income. And in India, political justice also, and the all citizens have equal political right, and in other words, citizens should have the right to participate in the government, and there should be an universal franchise and right to contest election, and all citizens are treated equally before the law and are given equal rights, and there is no discrimination on the basis of caste, religion, gender. Sovereign people have supreme power to make decision or internal as well as external matter. No external power can dictate the government of India. Student, we are independent and we take all decision. We can elect our representative, and elected representative from the rule and regulation, and no external power and no other country can dictate the government of India. And elected representative form the government, and they makes all rules and regulation for the country. Secular means freedom to adopt any religion. And student, people have citizen have complete freedom to follow any religion, and there is no official religion, and government treats all religion, belief and practice with equal respect, and we follow any religion and we respect all religion in our India. Democratic, a form of government where people enjoy equal political rights, and the government is run according to some basic rules, and the government provides equal opportunity and equal rights, and any person can elect the can contest election, and any citizen of India fulfilling required qualification can contest the election for the leader and make the leader, and in a democratic where people enjoy equal political rights. So students, ideal of constitution, such idols of preamble such as equality, freedom, justice, secular, लिबर्टी, रिपब्लिक एक्सेट्रा. स्टूडेंट, ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में जो ये प्रेम्बल में सारे आइडल्स दिए हैं कि हमारी कंट्री में हम सब क्या इक्वल हैं, यहाँ पे किसी का कोई भी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं किया जाएगा, और सभी को क्या इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी है, सभी को क्या है इनकम अर्न करने का सबको इक्वल मौका दिया जाएगा, किसी का कोई भी डिस्क्रिमिनेट नहीं किया जाएगा, और लॉ के अकॉर्डिंग सभी लोग क्या हैं इक्वल हैं. तो ये सारे जो आइडियल्स हैं वो हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में हमें प्रेम्बल ने हमें क्या किया इसको दिया है, और इसी वजह से हम प्रेम्बल को क्या कहा जाता है, इट इज़ द सोल ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. और इसी वजह से हमारी जो कंट्री में क्या है हम अपने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फॉलो करते हैं, क्योंकि हमें कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने हमें बहुत सारी फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड की हैं, क्योंकि हमें फंडामेंटल राइट्स दिए हैं, इसी की वजह से हम क्या है इक्वलिटी प्रोवाइड की जाती है, फ्रीडम है, फर्टर्निटी है, डेमोक्रेटिक है, सेकुलर है, एंड वी आर इक्वल एंड वी अडॉप्ट एनी रिलीजन, and we can express our feeling, and we can move, and we can adopt any occupation such as, and we can contest election, and any citizen of India fulfilling required qualification can contest election. Okay, and so these are the ideas of the preamble. And next, institutional arrangement. Student, our constitution is not all about a statement of value and philosophy, and some arrangement into institutional arrangement is called constitution, and constitution is a very long and detailed document. Indian constitution is a very long and it's need to amended means to change, to update, to keep it updated. The Constitution of India is about this arrangement. It should be updated from time to time, and therefore it needs to be amended quite regularly. So more than 2000 amendments were considered. 2000 amendments were considered, and the makers of Indian Constitution felt that it has to be amended in accordance with the change in people aspiration and changing in society. So at that time, the members made some provisions when this change are called Constitution amendments. And It has laid down guidelines about the decision making authority. Institution means such as constitution provides us guidelines about the decision making authority. It laid down the limit of the power of the governments, and it also limits the power of the government by providing basic right of citizen which cannot be violated. Student, constitution provides us fundamental rights. And student, we will talk about institution arrangement. Students, the constitution describe the institution arrangement in a very legal language, so it may be difficult for one who read it for the first time. Student, like any other constitution, the Indian constitution also tell us the procedure how to elect the person to govern the country, and it also defines who will have to take which decision. So student, the Indian constitution also made provision of arrangement to limit the power of the government, and it also made arrangement in the constitution the right of the citizens, and a citizen cannot be violated by the government at any cost. So student, हमारा जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है उसमें अरेंजमेंट्स किए गए हैं कि हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बिल्कुल स्टिक नहीं है, उसमें क्या है टाइम टू टाइम उसको अपडेट किया जाता है, और उसमें क्या उसी को हम अरेंजमेंट कहते हैं कि हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन काफ़ी सारी कंट्रीज़ के अकॉर्डिंग क्या है स्टिक नहीं है, उसको क्या है फ्लेक्सिबल, उसको हम चेंज कर सकते हैं। अगर हमें लगता है कि सोशल और इकॉनमी में कुछ चेंज हुआ है तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग अपने 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 उसको हम अपने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को अमेंडमेंट करते हैं, इसको चेंजेस करते हैं, और हमारा जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है वो हमें बताता है कि गवर्नमेंट की क्या पावर है और सिटीजन्स क्या राइट हैं, और कोई भी गवर्नमेंट कोई भी पर्सन किसी भी दूसरे पर्सन के फंडामेंटल राइट्स को वायलेट नहीं कर सकता। तो ये सारे जो अरेंजमेंट्स हैं हमें कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने प्रोवाइड किए हैं, और हमें क्या है टाइम टू टाइम इसमें अपडेट करते रहना चाहिए। नेक्स्ट, एंड स्टूडेंट, योर होमवर्क सॉल्यूशन, how was the Constituent Assembly formed? And the answer is the drafting of the Constitution was done by an assembly of elected representative called the Constituent Assembly. Second, election to the Constituent Assembly was held in July 1946. And the first meeting was held in December 1946. And the Constituent Assembly was also divided into Constituent Assembly of India and the Pakistan after partition. There were 300 members in the Constituent Assembly. After partition, 299 members wrote Indian Constitution, and it adopted the Constitution on 26 November 1949, but it came into effect on 26 January 1950. Second question, right. Question number, write the role of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar in the making of Indian Constitution. And answer is Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee. He was a social revolutionary and thinker and against caste divisions and caste-based inequalities. And he played a vital role in the making of Constitution. He gave shape to the country of being a complete sovereign democratic republic based on universal franchise. And he stressed that in politics there should be equality, but in social and economic life inequality should be removed. Next question, how many members did the Constituent Assembly have? And answer is the Constitution Assembly that wrote the Indian Constitution had 299 members. Question third, what are Constituent Assembly debates? These debates provide the reason behind every provision of the Constitution. And second, they are used to interpret the meaning of Constitution. And when they printed, they were consist of 12 bulky volume, and it was called Constituent Assembly debates. And today your homework, and student, these are NCERT question. And question number first, here are some false statements. Identify the mistake in each case and rewrite this correctly. First, leader of the freedom movement had an open mind about whether the country should be democratic or not after independence. Second, member of the Constituent Assembly of India held the same views on all provision of the Constitution. Third, a country that has a constitution must be a democracy. And fourth, constitution cannot be amended because it is the supreme law of a country. And question number second, which of these was most silent underlying conflict in the making of democratic constitution in South Africa? First, between South Africa and its neighbors. Second, between men and women. And third, between the white minority and the black majority. And option four, between the colored minority and the black majority. Question number third, which of these a provision that a democratic constitution does not have? First, power of the head of the state, name of the head of the state, power of the legislature, and the name of the country. Question number fourth, match the following leaders with their roles in making of the constitution. Match the following such as Motilal Nehru, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, Rajendra Prasad with their roles of making in constitution. Question number fifth, here are some of the guiding values of the constitution and their meaning. Rewrite them by matching them correctly. Sovereign, republic, fraternity, secular. Match with government will not favor in any religion. People have the supreme right to take decision. Head of the state is an elected person. People should live like brother and sister. Question number 6. Read the following statement about a constitution. Give reason why each of this is true or not true. First, the authority of the rules of the constitution is the same as that of any other law. Second, constitution lays down how different organ of the government will be formed. C, right of citizen and limit on the power of the government and laid down in the constitution. And D, a constitution is about institution, not about values. And question number 6, explain ideals of the preamble of the Indian Constitution. Student, all questions done in your fair notebook. And thank you.